Hi, I'm Miranda and welcome to Kids English Theatre's Book Club. Today I'm going to be presenting to you this book, Good News, Bad News, by Jeff Mack. It's a great little book to introduce to your young language learners, and I was recommended this book by a fellow teacher last year, and I've tried it a few times with my 4 to 6 year olds and it's worked really well. Why? Because language is really super simple. It's really basic. It's just good news, bad news. And it's a story about a bunny who invites his friend, the mouse, for a picnic. And that's it. And all of the complications that entails with this inviting this little mouse for a picnic. If you're an English teacher, you'll know how complicated it is sometimes to find the right English book for your students. Either the language is too overly complicated, or there are rhyming verses that confuse your students, or even the illustrations can sometimes be confusing because they don't necessarily match with what you're saying at that moment on the page. So this book is great. Why? Because if I open up a page, you can see the language is so simple and it gives teachers the freedom to improvise. You're not necessarily glued to the page, reading every single word of the page. You can improvise based on the illustrations that you can see from the book and help your students understand using the language that is the level of your students. And that's one of the basic things that I love about this book. You can really be free to do what you want with it. It's not too short, it's not too long, it's just the right length that will keep children's attention right until the end of the story. And when you finish the story, what you can do even is to make it a bit more theatrical, the event, and bring in a few costumes or some finger puppets, or even have a bit of a picnic with your students at the end of the story as well, so you can do a bit of role playing too. The best thing about the book is that you are theatrical, you're engaging with your students, you're not glued to the page, so you can really connect with them and bring some life to the story. So this is the story, Good News, Bad News by Jeff Mack. Give it a try, your students will really enjoy it. So that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be theatrical.